Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a product review, which is the Philips mini blender, the 3000 series, and it's majorly for making healthy smoothies in as little as 30 seconds. And in this pack it consists of the motor unit, and this motor unit has two blending sections for blending of 1 and blending 2. The 2 is faster than the 1, and it's majorly easily operated. And also it comes with a plastic blending jar with a plastic lid. And the unique feature about this jar is that the blade unit comes off. That is what I actually like about it, for easy washing and cleaning. So it's really quite easy when the blade comes off for making it wash properly, compared to most blenders which you can't take off the blade unit. So that's like an amazing feature. And also it comes with a mobile plastic jar. Probably when you're done blending your smoothies, this can come in handy. It's quite nice about this product. So now I'm just gonna be trying out how fast it goes and how slow it can go. And then today I'll just be using water to try it out. So let's go check it out. So just plug this in. Okay. Now first I'm gonna plug it into my, let's use this bath, plug it into my motor unit. Okay, so we're going to try this out. I'm just going to be trying it out with just water today, and I won't be using any fruits, just to try it out on how fast it can go. So we're just going to try it out. So it's got this built-in lock system, which is actually good for safety purposes. So now I'm going to try it out on the first level, or try it out the second. So you can see the power levels are quite different. The level 1 and level 2, they are quite different. And using it with blending of fruits, although I found out that when you're blending it with ice, it's the power is kind of reduced. So I'll advise, when you're blending fruits, you should reduce the amount of fruits you put in, so the power level, so it can blend quickly. And also on the manual it says blend for 60 seconds at a time, which is a great timing. It's not really bad, considering that you're not expected to blend for so long. And also the system unit is quite good. So overall I would say this is a really great product. Portable, easy to use, easy to clean, and comes in handy for making your smoothies. You should give it a try out. And that will be it for today on the review of the Philips product. And I hope to see you next time on another review of another product. See you next time. Bye.